Okay, I'm unboxing my Tackle Warehouse stuff.
The next generation of online gaming. Coming soon. Barbie is a magical discovery of Barbie is Fairy Secret, a DVD Mark 15. Some of your best friends are fairies. Experience a magical fun.
Their seat. There's my Booyah Buzzbait. I got chartreuse and white with the clacker. And Gary Yamamoto 5-inch Cincos. They are blue pearl and they got black specks in it, so I think that'll be good. And that's all I got from there because it was not just my first. It was just my first order, so yeah, that's all I got. But I want to compare this Strike King chartreuse buzzbait with this Booyah chartreuse and white buzzbait. I just want to see which one will do better. So yeah, comment, rate,